Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. In this video, I'm going to show you that 3-bar reversal for a short sell or a selling opportunity. So last video we discussed about a 3-bar reversal where it is happening at the lowest level. We are trying to buy the stock, right? Here the same thing, we are using the reverse mode. There is a 3-bar reversal which is happening at highest level of the day or highest level of the month. So we can focus for a selling opportunity. So last video we discussed detailed about 3-bar reversal where it is happening at lowest level. This video we are going to discuss the highest level. So this is where I am using a 15 minutes time frame. We find out a 3-bar reversal. When the 3-bar reversal which is happening at in intraday higher time frame or intraday highest level, so it may have the good chances to make money, and 3-bar reversal, the selling opportunity. So I'm going to discuss these are the stocks which forms a 3-bar reversal yesterday, and these are the and most important thing here, the scanner we are make by the non-repaint, so it may not repaint much. So because of the conditions where we have created, that conditions will take up a reversal and that repaint. So we are here give a conditions without any repaint. So that is what the main reason we are focusing for a 3-bar reversal for intraday and positional opportunity. Right, let's say yesterday we have this is what happening at 22nd at 10 a.m. So this is happening at 9:30. So we are not discussing about 9:15, 9:30. 9:45 is the time frame where we are going to focus for the trade. And first at 9:45, because the 9:15 to 9:35, 9:15 to 9:30, 9:30 to 9:35, 9:40 to 10 o'clock. So if you are using this 3-bar reversal, you can start trading after 10 o'clock, because the first 3 candles should be closed with that pattern. So that only valid signal. So by when a stocks which is present at 9:15, let's say this is a lot of stock which is forms at the 9:15, these are the stocks which calculate the previous day candle. So we are not going to compare the previous day candle to trade intraday. So here we are going to focus, these are the stock which forms a that's a kind of 3-bar reversal. Let's say Reliance in 15 minutes, Tata Consume, Z Entertainment. So let's see the 3-bar reversal candlesticks pattern were present. Let's see 3-bar candlesticks, this first candle and second candle which is happening at 9:30. So this is the 3-bar, but it is not a valid 3-bar, because those who are attend my classes, so they have some doubts. I am clearing your doubt here right now, and you can understand what is the 3-bar now. So 1, 2, 3. So it taken a one candle from previous day. It's not a valid one. So that is why we are avoiding the time of 9:30, 9:45. So we will take only 9:45. So LIC Housing Finance. Let me see LIC Housing Finance. So what happened on that? First 3 bars. Let's see 1, 2, 3. All the 3 bars were present on the same day. Got it? The present on the same day. That means this is the valid 3-bar. Initially it's showing some bullishness. In the 2 consecutive candle it was a big move, but the 3rd candle will show you the reversal. So where I am going to take entry for that reversal is, this is my sell entry point, and I keep my stop loss at this point. So it was a big stop loss, and if you any stop loss having you got a stop loss as a big, you simply ignore the stop losses. Don't go for such a kind of big stop loss trade, because we are planning for intraday and we are going to make small profit of money, which was good, and it is almost from the lows 380 and a high for the day is 389, almost 9 rupees stop loss. From 380 it coming down towards 374, almost 6 rupees down, and end of the day it is closed with 5 rupees profit. So here this is the first trade. We got a 3-bar reversal in LIC Housing Finance in 15 minutes time frame, and after that we got some 2 stocks at Cipla and Alchem Labs. Let's check Cipla. IPLA Cipla. Here this is what a Cipla, and it never it targeted never goes the target. This 3 bars, the 3-bar reversal, our entry is be there and our stop loss. It is not stop loss and never target. So neither it triggers your target or not stop loss. So that has also be happened, but we are finding out such an opportunity whether the kind of pattern which is present on the stock. So this is what a filter, it filtering you and the stock and it will tell you. And second one is Alchem on the same time frame. Let's we go for Alchem Laboratories. Yeah, it was working good and well. This is the 3-bar reversal which is happening from your entry at this point. This was your stop loss and market moves down towards the bottom. So maybe 1:1 it may give you for this trade, right? And lot of stock. And what was the next one? So 3-bar reversal selling we are focusing here right now at this point. Titan, yes, Titan at 12:45. Let me check it out. Titan 12:45, 30, 12:45. This was a 12:45 time frame, and this is not giving you target because we are going to enter this as our entry and stop loss. So maybe it never trigger your stop loss and it was very flat and it is ending with the loss. Once it is showing you some profit immediately and then it returned back and it is ending with a loss. Very flat move on Titan 15 minutes time frame. And also if you check, there is a flag pattern where it is happening on Titan. So maybe breakout at this level or below this level, we can move. So whatever the other stocks which forms such a pattern, and this is there that time we have a 3 State Bank, ICICI, M&M, Page, SBIN. Good. For the time it is at 1 p.m. This was a 1 p.m. So that was working good. State Bank of India, which is small risk, we got a big profit, and till end of the day it is down. And ICICI Bank, using this bars, 3 bars, ICICI Bank, which is happening here and it not moving well, it was ending with a small risk. So when we plan a trade, so there is a risk and reward. So we have to use where we are going to sell at highest level as well as lowest level. If these signals are not repaint, if I'm showing you, I will show you the repainted signal, how the repainted signal will be available. So how many signals, if you are using normal thing, 3-bar reversal, let's say this is what a 3-bar reversal where you are finding out the stock which is having how many stocks. Let's see, this is what a stocks which forms a 3-bar reversal. Let's check it out any time frame. At 11:30 we have Dr. Reddy, Aarti Industries, Nakuru. These are the 3 bars where you are going to see the repaint. Dr. Reddy at 11:30. Dr. Reddy at 11:30, 3-bar reversal, where it is date as 22nd, 11:30. This was 11:30 3-bar reversal, where it is 1, 2, 3 reversal and it triggers your entry and big stop loss. There is no big movement on that. And Aarti Industries, Nakuri, Aarti Industries. At what time frame it is? Around 11:30 would be this. This one is 11:30 and it is also working good. But lot of stocks, you got it. This much of stocks we cannot track in intraday basis, right? Many stocks we got it. So this much of stock we cannot focus in intraday. Lot of stocks. This was a normal one. Let's say very few stocks. So using the filters we use, and the main question is to how to trade the 3-bar reversal. The main question one who asked about the 3-bar reversal. So I'll explain you the 3-bar reversal. So the first bar is the red and the second bar should be the red, and if the third bar would be a green, just closed above that. So this looks like a 3-bar reversal where I'm finding for a 3-bar entry. So when the entry is above this high, and whatever the time frame, if it is breaks after sometimes later also we can focus this is high, but meanwhile the low is not broken. If without breaking your entry, so this is what entry point. So without giving you entry, if it is broken your lowest level, if it is makes any new low, so that entry is not valid. So we should avoid such a kind of trade, and we can use only few stocks. If it is breaks the low, the entire uh, setup is not a valid, but it can trigger by next candle or next candle, whatever the time frame it breaks, so it is a valid signal. So that you should understand. So let me find out on most daily time frame, weekly time frame, whatever the time frame you can focus it for. And let's say this is was another 3 bar reversal. How you can see there is a daily basis 3 bar reversal which is happening at highest level, and then it started moving down from this lower entry point, and this you should keep as a stop loss at this level, and it moves well. And instead of checking one by one, so we using the scanners and screeners to find out the 3 bar reversal where it has happened. Somewhere else, any other point can you see the 3 bar reversal at any other point? No, on this stock. But instead of finding this, this was another 3 bar reversal here. This is happening at highest level. If you are focusing a trade at highest level, would be the best chances to make huge profit if the trend reversed at the topest level. So that is what the main concept where you are using. There's a selling opportunity. We have used 3 bar reversal with non-repaint mode. So we have some stocks, and end of the day also we got some stocks at 315. That was a REC. Let's check REC at 315, but it is not for intraday because we use the intraday time frame. We are not going to take a trade for intraday. Yes, it is another 3 bar reversal which is happening at end of the day, so we are not going to focus it out. So I hope this may be a useful video about regarding 3 bar. Thanks for being with me. Thank you for your time. Thank you so much.